Really?
Le robaría a nadie su hombre y menos ese marido.
Huh?
Bro. Move. Curry.
I'll find that footage. We'll grab him up. Hondo flying Nolan before Street does.
Nein, du Schatz, Mausi.
Hey, buddy, are you stuck? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Buddha.
You can't handle the uber instincts of my uber autism. Observe.
I caught you. I caught her in the fucking act. Mitty, you fucking fatty, get out of here. Oh my god. Go.
He was a baby.
And you see he had one paw
Yep.
sticking over the side, just
He
like
always
normal.
has one pole out.
Let me check my notes. Everything seems to be in order.
The award for the most dramatic cat goes to... Holy... Are you hungry? Oh.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
Hello? Hello? Ma'am? Oh my god! No, no, no.
Bruh.
Augie, it's your first snow! My big boy. Oh my god, sorry. Dave. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! He did it! You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
Lorenzo.
All night, it's gonna be me.
I want that room, Gina. You can't push me around.
Hello? 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 What does that say? Only fat, idiot, orange cats sit here. Oh! Hello.
And we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Good morning. Aren't you adorable this morning? Hi, Flynn. Hi, sweetheart. Aww. No, you filthy, dirty little bastard. No. You're so evil.
You ready to go to bed?
Hi, Meanie.
Oh,
I hate it. And when I think about how bad things have gotten, it just depresses me.
Ai! Ai, que susto! Você quase que me mata de susto!
أبغاكم تعيشون معايا الوضع اليومي اللي أنا أعيشه. طبعا العدد هنا الآن هنا فقط 34 قطة. تمام؟ خلاص يلا يلا طب روحوا هناك.
Good morning. Sorry.
Ow! Really? I'm being nice to you. Why would you do that? That's not nice. Okay, okay.
Not go potty in there, Cassandra. Do not do potty.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Are you having fun, Harper? Are you hoping for food? Okay.
Good morning, party. What are you cleaning your fur, baby? Getting ready for the day. Can you say bonjour?
Hey, what's up?
哎呀，真好看，真精神，一瞅智商都高啊，真好。
Bacım, 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 gül yüzlü bacım, bacım, bacım.
Can I help you? Where are you going? What was that? What is going on?
Pick up. Alright, my girl. Damn. See what she did to me?
Patroy. Patroy.
Hi, Finkel.
So I was looking for Ruby the baby cat the whole time until I found out.
What? It's not me.
Another twist of fate? How many twists of fate do you think you're allowed in your life, Matt? Your name is Lorena Ortiz. The youngest homicide detective in the department.
Ollie, let me see. Come here.
Here I am in this difficult situation as a scientist where there's these Black Panther sightings, an animal that's never been proven to exist.
Food time, food time, food time!
Meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Why are you so grumpy? Ah! Wow.
Millie. Holy shit. I warned you, I did. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy. Wait, please, no!
О, тупо води. Супер, які ви похожі.
Hell, they got a lion in the back seat. And why is he staring at me? Wait, hold on, Carlo, chill, bro. It's not even that deep.
¿Ustedes tienen un gato como yo que abre el horno y se agarra los bizcochos? Yo sí. Nada, qué interesante.
¡Ay!
住手！住手！你先走。村长。
Cuando tienes demasiadas ganas de comer churro. Bebé. Bichen.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
I just have one thing to say.
Can you meet it though?
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you. Do you have my back? Come on, let's go. I know they're gonna fight us. Come on.
Oh. See,
The thing is, when I'm tired and you running around on my head and stuff, it's okay. But when you're sleepy and I'm messing with you, it's a problem. It's cool when you do it. It's a problem when I do it.
What's the easiest and best way for us to fight climate change?